All right, a lot of people are going to be paying attention to that forecast. Thank you very much, Justin. Well, today is also Earth Day. This is an annual global celebration of our home planet.
And as we celebrate Earth today, let's raise awareness about the importance of protecting our fragile planet.
And joining us now is Dr. Katherine Calvin out there in NASA. She's a chief scientist and senior climate advisor. She's going to help us celebrate Earth Day the right way here and give us the inside scoop on what NASA is learning about our home planet. Good morning, Dr. Calvin.
Good morning.
Hi, good morning. Thanks for joining us. Well,
Thank you for having me.
Yes, absolutely. On Earth Day, we hear that NASA's newest Earth observing satellite called PACE has the newest screenshots of Earth's oceans from space. Can you show us some of these views?
Absolutely. So PACE, the Plankton Aerosol Cloud and Ocean Ecosystem Satellite, it launched a couple of months ago, and it's giving us these brand new views of our ocean. So it's global, so we're seeing all of the Earth's oceans, and we can actually look in and see the color of the ocean. So we can see what's living in that surface ocean, and that gives us really important information about fisheries, about harmful algal blooms, about climate, just by understanding the color of the ocean. It's also able to give us information about the atmosphere and these aerosols and help us better understand our planet and how it's changing.
Yeah, that is incredibly interesting stuff. I still remember learning as a kid that most of our planet was covered by water, in fact 70%. So it's fitting that, of course, on this Earth Day, we are focusing on the oceans themselves. NASA's PACE satellite is looking at the color of the oceans around the globe. What exactly is ocean color, and what does it tell us about the health of our oceans?
So our oceans, they're not just blue. We also see swirls of green, and that what color the ocean surface looks like depends on what's living in it. So there are these tiny living creatures called phytoplankton, or tiny living things called phytoplankton, that they absorb sunlight and carbon dioxide, and they're green in color. And what the color of the ocean is depends on how much phytoplankton and what type. And by better understanding the type of phytoplankton we have, we can provide information on what's happening in the ocean and how it affects people's lives around the world.
All right, I know we're talking about oceans now. Let's talk about hot, dry weather. Well, 2023 was a year of extremes across the globe, including being the warmest year on the record. So in our area, we are still experiencing droughts here and there, and we always deal with those hot temperatures. So can you talk about how this kind of fits into the longer term trends that you're seeing?
So 2023 was the hottest year on record, and overall we're seeing a trend towards increasing temperatures, and along with that we see different impacts depending on where you are. So we are seeing more droughts in some parts of the world. We're seeing more extreme heat events. We're seeing increases in sea level. We're seeing changes in storms, and all of that affects people and ecosystems all around the world. And one of the things that we're doing at NASA is observing the Earth, seeing what it looks like today and how it's changed over time, and providing that information to people so they can understand what's happening where they live.
All right, Dr. Calvin, so this is going to be the toughest question, okay? Not really, but we've seen some incredible images that you've already shown us, but what is your favorite thing on Earth to see from space?
Oh, there's so much beautiful parts of Earth on space. I'm someone that likes to spend time hiking, and so I like looking at trees. But seeing these new PACE images, our ocean is just absolutely beautiful. And there's a lot of scientific information in those images. So something for scientists and something for people.
All right, that was Dr. Katherine Calvin, the chief scientist with NASA. Thanks for joining us this morning.
Thank you for having me.